Alright, these are the seasonings that I'll be using, which is Sazon Tropical, garlic powder, pepper, accent seasoning, and Mrs. Dash, and my complete seasoning. Don't go nowhere without that. Okay, so here we done season this with all of these. Okay, like I say, rule of thumb, a teaspoon if it has salt in it, and if it doesn't, you can go all out. So I use a tablespoon for powders that is that salty. So that's a good rule of thumb for me. It gave me a guideline, something to go for. So that's it. They're seasoned there right now. We're going to crack our eggs because this is going to be our batter. Oops. Just drop your 2 eggs in like that. Wish it around. Let's put a little bit of, oops, just a little, season the batter. Okay, and then some black pepper. Just a little. Again, a pinch of accent. And then your complete seasoning. Okay. And you're going to take your all-purpose flour and put it in the bowl. Okay? Okay, I always make a mess. But it's okay. You can do that. Okay, now you got your flour and your seasoning. The only thing I'm going to put in here is Sazon Tropical seasoning, and that's it. Now this is for our dry. Let's stir this around. It's well incorporated. Yeah, we gotta put a little. So we're just gonna stir it around. Get all the seasonings mixed in. So now that we did that, Let's see. Now, as soon as we're finished with these, we're going to drop a couple in there. Smelling good. See if we can put this on the menu. I don't cook that much. I'm going to put them in the bag. I'm going to put this in. Can I put it on the menu? What do you think?
I need my teeth.
Huh?
I need my teeth.
Well, put them in, Daddy.
Where they at? You trying to chew it? Goddamn, it's strong. Chew it in them over, Granny.
Huh?
Chew it.
Mm-hmm.
I can't bite with my gum. But it tastes great. You need ranch.
Yeah, that's what we missing. I don't think we have ranch. Who would it be? You see it?
Mm-hmm. You don't know where ranch is. There's certain things I've always know how to find.
One thing you can, you know what I'm gonna do one day? I'm mad.
This is the one thing I didn't know about. You gotta brush them afterwards, or before and afterwards, because even
What
though
is that?
that's Listerine, but it's sticking to the plaque, and I didn't know that there was plaque buildup. But you can only tell when you take out Listerine.
You gotta brush them.
Yeah, I know. This is how I figured that out. I was always just soaking them, but I never did put those little tablets you're supposed to put in there. Or that just apple seltzer.
Alka-Seltzer. Hi there.
I guess. Something of that shit off.
Listerine, the brown one. You know they put dye and stuff in there. The flakes are nice and flaky and airy. Can we put that on the menu?
What?
The fried.
Oh yeah. It's chewy, like I said. A lot of people aren't used to that. But the taste is wonderful. I didn't know that it would harden up and shrink up like that. It didn't look like pump anymore.
All right, guys. Bye-bye.